you ever seen a falling star in the midnight sky? Have you ever seen the moon light up a winter's night? Have you ever seen the sun rise, start a new day? If we can't see the miracles, I wonder what it might take. Holy Spirit, come. Holy Spirit, come. Give us ears to hear and eyes to see. Lift us up on wings of love. Holy Spirit, come. Have you ever lost someone you love and felt them in your heart? The gift of sacred memory will never be apart. Can you feel it in the thunder, in the power and the might? Can you hear the Spirit blowing, the whisperings of God? Every common bush is a flame of God, and the voices of the angels in every newborn child. Holy Spirit, come.